Hey there everyone, we are off to the Warner Brothers studio tour, so hopefully we're going to get some cool shots showing you what it's like to go around there. Got the family with me, of course, doing the stuff, so let's get into it, eh? So forget everything you know about studio tours. This isn't just a glimpse behind the scenes, it's a full-on immersion into the world of Harry Potter, and it's absolutely overflowing with authentic sets, props and costumes from the films. From the moment you step inside, you're transported into a different world. The Great Hall is the first of our stops. It's just as breathtaking as you would imagine from the movies, with the long tables set for a feast and the house banners hanging proudly. I could almost hear Professor McGonagall calling the roll. One of the first interactive experiences is taking a photo so you can see yourself as a moving portrait in the halls of Hogwarts. Dumbledore's office, don't even get me started. It's filled with fascinating artifacts, intricate detail and so much history. You could easily spend an hour just soaking it all in. They've masterfully recreated the iconic location, capturing the very essence of Hogwarts. But the magic doesn't stop there. You can venture into the airy Forbidden Forest, come face to face with Aragog, if you're brave enough. Just when you think you're coming to the end, you're greeted by the Backlot Cafe, a perfect place to refuel and soak up the atmosphere of the studio tour. Some of our highlights include the Slytherin plate of bangers and mash, the usual fish and chips and the Backlot burger. We also got the Hedwig cake for dessert, but there are many options to keep the whole family pleased. After lunch you can see Harry Potter's home and the magical triple-decker Knights bus for some photo ops. Just when you think to yourself, what else can they possibly have installed for the second half, you turn the corner and are puffing away on platform 9 3/4 as the Hogwarts Express. The attention to detail is truly amazing. Every little thing from luggage tags to the window views feels like it's straight out of the movies. Now, for all your Diagon Alley enthusiasts, prepare to have your socks charmed off. They've created this bustling shopping street with incredible detail. There are interactive exhibits from where you can try your hand at using your wand, learn the secrets of potion making, and even see how they brought creatures like Buckbeak to life. It's truly immersive and an educational experience, perfect for Potterheads of all ages. Also, you'll have hands-on in a range of interactive experiences, from riding a broomstick in front of a green screen or stepping into the crowd of a Quidditch match to make you feel like you're part of the movie. Now, some essential tips for planning your visit. Tickets must be booked in advance. They do sell out quickly, especially during peak season, so make sure you plan ahead and secure your spot. Also, give yourself plenty of time to explore and factor in time for food, drinks and shopping. I recommend at least 4 to 5 hours, if not more, to truly appreciate everything the tour has to offer. Wear comfortable shoes because you're doing a lot of walking. It's an absolute must visit for anyone traveling to Tokyo. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and thank you for supporting the channel.